Whistleblowers from Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton's impeachment trial are now taking new legal action in that case. The whole impeachment process stemmed from a settlement Paxton was set to pay those whistleblowers.
One that he'd asked the state to pay for. Tonight, Ford Sanders shows us why now, despite the AG's acquittal, those former AG office staffers say they're not done fighting.
This is the first time we've heard from these whistleblowers since the end of the impeachment trial. Now they're asking for a renewal of their case, calling on the Supreme Court to send this back to a traditional court. A $3.3 million settlement payment still hasn't gone out to whistleblowers who said they were illegally fired for raising concerns about their boss's ties to real estate developer Nate Paul.
The political trial is over, and it's time for the case to return to a real court.
Blake Brickman is the former Deputy Attorney General of Policy and Strategy Initiatives for AG Paxton. He says they still want to hold Paxton accountable.
We are not going away. We are not going away. For us, this case has always been about more than money. It's about truth. It's about justice. And although political pressure may have thwarted justice this month, we will continue our fight.
The whistleblowers say they sent letters to all 31 Texas senators and filed an affidavit disputing one current AG's office employee's testimony from the trial who said the whistleblowers first sought to settle. They also criticized Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, saying he made decisions that kept key evidence and testimony out of the impeachment trial. So they want to see this case go back to Travis County District Court, where Paxton, Paul, and others could have to testify under oath.
When we're in a real court and get a real judgment, it's very different than having a jury of 30 members of political parties.
Paxton himself has continued to deny the allegations, saying it's all been politically motivated. And he was acquitted on the specific impeachment article that accused him of violating the Whistleblower Act when firing these employees. In a statement Monday, a spokesperson for the Office of the Attorney General wrote that they plan to file a written response to the whistleblowers' motions with the state Supreme Court. These whistleblowers say their number one priority is to serve the people of Texas at the end of their day, not their former boss.
When a boss goes out of bounds on the law and the rules of ethics, our loyalty is owed to the state and the people. And all 8 of us took that stand.
From the Texas State Capitol, Ford Sanders, KVUE News.